Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use public washrooms effectively and hygienically. First, always locate the nearest facility using available signage or a map. Before entering, take a moment to observe the overall cleanliness. If it appears unsanitary, consider finding an alternative. If the washroom is occupied, please wait patiently for your turn, respecting others' privacy and space. Once inside, select an available stall that appears clean and well-maintained. Always remember to lock the door securely to ensure your privacy. Many public washrooms offer toilet paper or disposable seat covers. Utilize these for added hygiene. If a seat cover is not available, you can create a barrier with toilet paper. After using the toilet, it is crucial to flush completely, ensuring the bowl is clean for the next person. Next, move to the sink and wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. This helps remove germs effectively. If soap and water are not available, use an alcohol-based hand sanitizer containing at least 60% alcohol. After washing, dry your hands completely using paper towels or an air dryer to prevent germ transfer. Always dispose of any waste, including paper towels, in the designated bins. Please do not litter. Finally, exit the washroom promptly, ensuring you leave it as tidy as you found it, or even cleaner for the next user.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.